In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to download the Postman tool and also how to install the native app in our machine. So, and then how to sign up and log in, and then we need to add this Postman tool in a Google Chrome as well. So, for before that, what is a Postman tool means? The Postman is a scalable API testing tool that quickly integrates into a uh, continuous integrations, continuous delivery pipeline, and 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 the API workflows in a testing and development. So here API stands for Application Programming Interface, and which allows a software applications to communicate with each other and via API calls. So why use the Postman means? So a Postman is a it is a tool, so we can easily access the all the APIs to use the Postman tool, and anywhere you can any like if you want to use in the Windows or Mac or so we can easily access the Postman tool. So and here we can use the use of collections. So Postman we can use the create the collections, then we can create all the endpoints inside the collections. So for that purpose, the Postman tool is very useful to work all the APIs calls. And here for each collections can create subfolders, multiple requests, and this can help in any organizations for you can maintain your test suites, and also the collaborations of collections, and here we can set different environments, for example, so if you are working on the any dev environment, you can create your own environments for dev environment and test environment. So it is easy to do the all the test suites in the different environments. So, for creating the environments, having multiple environments and less repetitions of test, as one can use the same collections but the different of environments. This is where parameterization will take the place, which we'll discuss in the further videos. So, let me for here we can use the automation testing as well through a collection runner or Newman test can be run in a multiple iterations, saving time for a repetitive test. So here we can also debugging the JavaScript code in the Postman. So we have a Postman console helps to check the what data has been retrieved and make it easily to debug the tests. So here we can do continuous integrations with the support of the continuous integration development practice are maintained here. So let me go to the, I will show you how to download and install the Postman. So let me open the browser. So here I have given the keyword download Postman. The here it's the first option, and click on the first option. So here you will get the download the app. So you have to download this one. So for using the it is highlighted over here, and then this is a download option. If you click on it, so it will be going to asking you whether you are machine 32-bit or Windows 42-bit, 64-bit. So here I am using the 64-bit, so I will be clicking on that one. So yeah, it is downloading over here for here. Once it is downloading, because in my machine it is already installed. So once it is downloading, just right click on it and install, so it will get installed into the machine. So let me, I'll show you like how here I have a sign in and sign up. So if you are first time users, you have to click on the sign up. So clicking on the sign up button. So here you can give the email and username and password. Create your free account. So in my case, I already installed. So yeah, it is yeah. Once you have to create a free account. So same thing I have already installed. Let me open. So this is a Postman I have installed. Yeah, here I have this is a UI of UI of Postman. So we have a home, workspaces, and reports and explore. In the from the left side, we have collections, APIs, environments, mark server monitors, and histories. Okay, this is a Postman tool. If you yeah, let me I will show you for one more options like. So how we have to give the extensions in using the Chrome browser. So by clicking on the uh, Chrome options over here, just yeah, just click on this option. These are Postman extensions for Chrome. Yeah, here it is like this is a Postman icon it is showing over here. So here I have a option called as add to Chrome. So just by clicking on the add to Chrome, it will be adding into your browsers. So yeah, in the next videos, I'll be, so this is what I have done in this video tutorial. In the next upcoming videos, I'll be going to show you how to create the collection, and inside how we send the API request. Those uh, those sessions will be I will be discussing on the upcoming video. So thank you.